Thanks for joining us on another edition of Mad River Outdoors. We're up on the property today. We've got all the work that we did over the week, so we got to get all the excess debris cleaned up. We got a metal guy coming up to check out what we got for excess metal. He's going to start clearing some of the old stuff that we found, the lawn tractor, the snowblower, the old boat, the fridge, some old metal roofing that we took off. It should be a pretty easy day today. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you click that like, share, and subscribe button, and let's get this day rolling. Last year, I planted a row of arborvitaes that I wanted to have up here. So I wanted to take some leftover mulch that I had from my house, plant it around the base of the arborvitaes, just to help keep the weeds down, shade the roots a little bit. So that's the end result. It's about 2.5 recycling bins of mulch. I got one dead tree right there. I gotta replace that. But if you look through the bushes, you can still see the shed. So once these grow up and in, it should really keep any viewing of that property. So the idea would be somebody driving down the road here, and you'd be able to see in. So it's later in the day at this point. Wanted to wait for the afternoon sun to go by. It was just so hot today. I think it was like 95 degrees. But at this point, I think what I need to do is I got to clear a path from the edge of the driveway to the light pole so that we can figure out if there's a breaker on that so that we can shut the power off before the service disconnect. Always let your small engines warm up before you use them. Well, as you can see, I got all that cut. There's no breaker or anything like that on the meter. So I guess that is not an option, but at least it's clean. So I just wanted to show you this area is now cleaned out. Here's all the metal that we got out of it. So we're gonna have a local metal collector come on Monday. He's gonna collect all this. He's gonna collect all the excess tin that we have over there on the other side of the house as well. So the next task for us is to get that wood painted. Just keep chipping away at little things.
You didn't bring paint.